Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello dear students. Let's complete our grammar lesson, past perfect tense. Yesterday we knew that I use the past perfect when I have two finished actions in the past. One of them happened before the other. And we agreed that the first action is always written in the past perfect. And the second one is always written in the past simple. And we agreed that we form the past perfect writing had plus the past participle, and had here is the queen that is doing anything and everything, and we are going to know why and how. And the past participle is formed by adding d or ed or ied to the regular verb, and if it's an irregular one we have to memorize it. Okay, let's know more about the key words of past perfect. Okay, read these sentences with me. He had played a game before 9 o'clock. He had played a game by 9 o'clock. Okay, next one. He had played a game before he slept. He had played a game by the time he slept. After he had played a game, he slept. Back to the first two sentences. What is the key word here? Yes, before, great, and by. Okay, notice what is written after them. 9 o'clock. So by is always followed by a specific time, and before is sometimes followed by a specific time. Okay, and what is the verb here? Had played. Okay. Speaking about the next two sentences, what are the key words? Yes, before, great, and by the time. Okay, notice what came after them. So before is followed by past simple, great, and by the time is followed as well by past simple. And by the way, before, by, and by the time have the same meaning. Okay, the next one is after he had played a game he slept. Okay, what is the key word? It's after. After here is followed by which tense? Great, the past perfect. Okay, well, let's revise again. When I have after in the sentence, it takes the past perfect after it, and the next action will be in the past simple. When I have before or by the time in the sentence, both of them take the past simple, which is the second action, and the other action, which is the first one, should be written in the past perfect. And by is followed only by a specific time. Okay? Let's write this mind map together. First action is always written in the past perfect. F and F. So first and perfect. Okay? And the second action is always written in the past simple. Again, S and S. So second simple. First perfect, second simple. Okay. What about the keywords? Notice with me. After and before and by the time. After starts with A, which is the first letter in the alphabet. So after is followed always by the first action, which is in the past perfect. Before and by the time, both of them start with B, which is the second letter of the alphabet. So both of them love the second action, second letter, so the second action. So before and by the time are always followed by the second action, which is written in the past simple. Okay, pause the video and copy this mind map. It will help you a lot. Okay, now why do we say that had is a queen? Because it does all the work. Let's do the negative and the question now. She had rung Jim by 4 o'clock, and rung here is the past participle of ring, which means she called him, she gave him a phone call. So she had rung Jim by 4 o'clock. Here I have the keyword, which is by, and we say that by is always followed by a specific time. Okay, the question here is use not. Okay, here do I need any help from other verbs to carry not for me? No, I have queen had, so had will carry not to me. So it will be she hadn't rung Jim by 4 o'clock. She hadn't rung gym by 4 o'clock. So it's very easy. Once I have past perfect had plus the past participle and I need to put it in the negative, just add not after had. Well, speaking about the question, this is the same. Had will do all the work. Okay, yes, they had dinner by 8 o'clock. Again, the key word here is by, and it's followed by a specific time. Okay, what is this? Had. It's very confusing. No, it's not confusing. Had is the queen, and had, the second had, is the past participle of the main action of the verb, which is having dinner. Okay, so can I ask a question? Okay, of course, number one, I have to cross out. Yes, and I will make the scissor. So, had they had dinner by 8 o'clock? So that's it. It's very easy. Okay, try to watch the video again, study well, and tomorrow, inshallah, we will meet to answer the questions of the pamphlet together. See you then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.